I got some new vinyl. I use this to make wallets. If you have not seen my wallets, they look like this. This isn't the only design I have, but right now it's the only wallet I actually have on hand, which is why I needed new vinyl so I can make more of these wallets. I'm in the shop right now and I close in about 2 hours, and my goal tonight is to make all of these. So I've spent the afternoon cutting vinyl, which is kind of boring, but it looks like this. So far I've cut all of these individual pieces. The next step is taking my image, which is basically a photo print, sandwiching it between the vinyl, stitching it all around, and then I'll have a wallet like this. There's a pocket for cash right here. There's also a pocket for card on that side, and another pocket on this side for cards. For those of you that like a more minimal wallet, I have some card cases I'll be making. So when you fold this in half, that'll be the full size of the wallet right there. Now I have to finish cutting the vinyl, then I have to assemble the wallets like I've done with these card cases. Then I'm gonna pull out the old sewing machine. So stay tuned. I just finished sewing all of these. These are the inside pockets of the wallets. This is not supposed to be a wallet tutorial, but whatever. This is the outside of the wallet. This is the inside. This goes here, then I stitch all around, and then the wallet is done. So I have all the inside pockets. I have all of these wallets. At this point, I'm probably a little more than halfway done. Now 12:33 a.m. because when I closed the shop I decided to go home for a while before I started this project. So it's just another late night, but it's nice and quiet here, so I'm happy. And just like that, the wallets are done. They look so much cleaner when they're not in pieces being held together by paper clips. They're actually not totally done. The last step is trimming these edges off so there's a nice clean line, and then you fold it, and then it's actually done. So here we go.